Every day, all over the world, Power and Water Alliance delivers fast-track, safe and reliable power. Our expertise provides robust power solutions in the most challenging technical, geographical or political conditions. Power and Water Alliance has built up strong relationships with the leading generation companies, including Pratt & Whitney, Siemens, GE, Toshiba and Rolls-Royce. Our highly skilled multicultural O&M teams work across the spectrum of global power solutions. Power and Water Alliance's approach is streamlined, agile and bespoke, and provides fast-track, cost-effective and turnkey power generation. Our recent installation for the Qatar Fund for Development in Libya demonstrates our team's capability to successfully carry out and complete a project under the most dangerous, arduous and unstable conditions. Together with OFS, our global partner, we fast-track install and start up aeroderivative and industrial turbines in the 30 to 150 megawatt power range. For example, the Pratt & Whitney FT83 and the GE TM2500 Plus provide dual fuel and frequency options combined with remote operation and monitoring. Mobile packs combine easy transportability, flexible siting and plug-and-play installation, together with the smallest footprint in the industry. Avoiding high capital cost, drawn-out planning and lengthy installation, mobile packs were the ideal solution for the Libyan project. Power and Water Alliance's experience brings together the right partners, technology and financial expertise to meet your global power generation requirements. With a footprint that spans over 30 countries, Power and Water Alliance is truly delivering power worldwide.